Haley, here's the dimmer we've been talking about. This is a screw that we're having a problem with. This is a standard decor cover that's made and used in America on plugs and switches. But the problem is all the screws that come with these covers are long. This is the shortest screw that you can buy with a standard cover. So we need screws for these covers. We need a short screw like this. Why? Because when you look at the back of it, this is the short screw. It's nice and smooth, nothing sticks out. But this is the long screw. Do you see how it sticks out? And what it does is when you put it on the wall, the long one, it sticks out away from the wall and it wants to rotate on the wall. It will not go flat against the wall. So we need short screws with this dimmer. Another thing that you need to do is this hole and that hole needs to be tapped with a 632 screw, just like these right here. Why? It's because when you go to put that in there, it goes all over the place. It won't screw in good. So that's what we need. We need short screws for the covers, and they need to be tapped.